Open this one. Here you are. Wow. And close. Wait. Open it. This one. Wow. Milk. Oh no. The milk. Luis milk. Yeah. This one. Wow. Luis, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Look at this. Look at here.
Box.
Yes, a box. That is a box. Oh.
Pen.
Pen. Let's open in the back. This one, like this.
Pen. Written.
Oh, return. You can do it. You can do it. You did it? Ate will help you.
I
Okay. Papa help you? Or no?
pen.
Open it.
Open in that box train.
Okay.
Box train.
Wait, okay.
Box train.
Okay. Box train. Your toys. Like this. Toy. A truck. Put it. Put it. Put it. Good job. Put it. Oh no. Get it and put it in the box. Wow, very good. Very good, Ruia. You tidy up the toys. Wow, so many toys. Wow. Where are you? Say hi. Say hi.
Toys.
Wow, hi toys.
What's the name, toys?
Hey, toys name toys. A crane, motorcycle, truck, helicopter, car. Oh no. But it's okay. You tidy up again. Again. I will help you. Okay. This one. This one. This one. Car. This one. Truck. Blue truck. Brown car. Motorcycle. This one. Orange car. Wow, you tidy up. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, toys. Oh no! You. Kalat ah. Tie up. Oh, come on, tie up. Go tie up. Han.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Come on.
This one.
Yes, that one. Tie up. This one, what is this?
Truck.
A red.
A red truck.
This one, a white.
White motorcycle.
This one, a yellow.
Truck.
This one, a green and white. Crane. That one. The toys. So many toys. Wow. Oh no. Wow. Again. Wow, we tidy up. High five. Box. Line. Promise. A. Paano pakit? How to pakit? Puggy. Puggy. How to puggy? Next. Hug Papa.
Hug Papa.
Hug Papa, come on.
Ayaw.
Why?
Tayap.
Why do you don't have? Oh, tayo more? Say bye-bye to the vlog. Bye-bye. Come on. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss, Rui. Come on. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss.
Mwah.
Wow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.